Hello, this is your gentle farmer, and I'm here to talk about how E2C hatch is helping and improving the livelihood of most farmers in Ghana, especially poultry farmers. We are here to promote, help, and improve the system of poultry industry in Ghana. E2C hatch is here to improve the livelihood and farmers improving upon their daily activities, especially getting the outcome right. E2C hatch is giving poultry farmers a better day-old chicks, not just any day-old chicks, and better breeds as well. We are here giving you better bears,